Alright, hey, what's up, guys? Today we're back with another math portfolio question. This is what the question is going to look like on your official math portfolio. So you'll see two different tables and a problem with three different answers. So let's go to our practice problem so you can figure out how you should go about answering the other question. So when we read this question, it reads, Mr. C and Miss Fishman are both saving money to buy new calculators. They each want to save $100. They recorded their savings in the tables below. So we have two tables here, both different plans, my plan and Ms. Fishman's plan. We have on the left the X column, the days, and on the Y column, or the right, we have the dollars saved. So we need to figure out who is saving at a faster rate, and what this word rate means is who's saving at a faster, like who's saving money faster. That's what this means. When they ask you for a rate, it's the change. What's the constant change? Meaning, how much money are they adding each day? So who's saving faster means who's saving more money. And what is Mr. C's saving rate and what is Ms. Fishman's saving rate? So we need to find the individual saving rates and decide who's saving faster. So let's see. The first thing we need to see is on day 0 what each person had. So on day 0, Mr. C had $50 saved, and on day 0, Ms. Fishman had 40. That's just the amount of money that we had in our banks. That has nothing to do with our saving rate. It's just the amount of money that was in our banks when we started. Now, if we look at Mr. C's plan, so we're going to answer B first, we're going to see what his saving rate is. So from day 0 to day 1, we went from $50 to $56. So that's an increase of $6 for one day. So if we increase the day again by 1 and we're on day 2, Mr. C saved $62 now. So from 56 to 62, if we add, we have 57, 8, 59, 60, 61, and 62. So that was 6. We added 6. Add another day, and we add another 6. And the pattern continues. So when you answer the question, what is Mr. C's saving rate? Mr. C's saving rate is $6 per day because his dollars saved increases or increased by $6 for every one day he saved. So this is important. You need to answer the question like this, and you need to input the different saving rate for this question. But in Mr. C's case, he is saving $6 per day because his dollars saved increases by 6 for every one day he saved. And we're going to answer the one from Ms. Fishman the same way. So what is Ms. Fishman's saving rate? We look at the table. From day 0 to 1, we went from 40 to 48. It's an increase of $8. From day 1 to 2, we went from 48 to 56. Again, that's an increase of $8 and an increase of 1 day. We increase 1 day again to get to 3, and we increase another $8. So Ms. Fishman's saving rate is, you guessed it, $8. Oh, you see what happens? So if this happens to you when you're typing, right, and it goes from here to down here, just do this. So let's backspace, backspace. So you know it's going to fall. So go to this line and tab, and you'll get back here. $8 per day because his dollars, oh, you see it did it again. So once again, we go like this. His dollars, oh, we made another mistake. It's her dollars, right? because her dollars saved, having a bunch of problems typing today, increased by $8. It's going to do it again. So go down to the next line, tab over. We hit the tab button to go like this, guys. The tab button. Boom. If you're on iPad, I think you could just click in the spot you want to type. Increased by $8 for every 1 day she saved. Make sure that's bold. And finally, who's saving at a faster rate? Well, if Mr. C is saving at $6 and Ms. Fishman is saving at $8, who's saving faster? Even though Ms. Fishman starts at a lower amount of dollars saved, you could see in the table that by day 5, if we added another column, they would actually be at the same amount saved. And from there on out, Ms. Fishman would pull ahead of me because she's saving $2 more per day. So we should write Ms. Fishman is saving at a faster rate because she is saving $2 more per day than Mr. C. And that's all you need. When you tell me it's $2 more per day, I understand that you know the difference is 8 and 6. And also, oh, look, fix that. Down here, you tell me that as well. Now, these answers need to be, again, in these kind of sentence formats. And you'll see that there's different saving rates for Linda and Beth when you get to this problem. Just answer the questions the same way, reading the tables, and you'll be fine. All right?